video is going to be on Tulsi or Holy Basil. Welcome to Get My Harvest. Before I begin explaining how to care for your Tulsi or Holy Basil plant, I want to talk to you about our channel Get My Harvest. You know friends, Get My Harvest has loads of videos on herbs, on fun gardening projects. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post the next video. Tulsi is rich in antioxidants and helps fight allergies and infections. In this video, I'll be covering how to grow Tulsi from seeds, how to have a bushier plant of Holy Basil or Tulsi, how to water and when to water, the kind of soil type that is needed for the plant, and what to do in case you feel that your plant is under a pest attack. The part that you see here at the top of the plant are the seeds of the Tulsi, and the best season or the best time for sowing the seeds of this plant is from April, May and June. This is the best time when you can sow the seed in a pot or in the garden bed. When you're sowing the seeds of Tulsi, just sow them like any other plant in a potting soil. I have already covered a video on how to make organic potting soil at home. I'll be sharing a link in the description below for making that soil. So you have to sow the seeds just like all other seeds, and make sure you cover the pot with a cloth, because when the seeds start sprouting during the initial days, they are prone to getting eaten by the birds. Now let's come down to the point of having a bushier Holy Basil or a bushier plant. As I have told you in earlier videos also, the key to having a bushier plant is to prune or trim your plant regularly. So when it comes to Tulsi, don't let these seeds stay there for too long. Prune it from here. There are two advantages of doing this. You will not only have a bushier plant, but your plant will not die, because if you let the seeds stay on the top of the plant for a long time, the plant gets a feeling that its life cycle is getting completed. So you will see that after some time the leaves will start browning and the plant will start having a slower growth. Tulsi or Holy Basil benefits from application or pouring of iron into it. The best way to do it is if you have some iron pot or utensil in your kitchen. Try to put some water in the pot overnight, and then give that water to the plant in the morning. The plant will be healthier and bushier. Although the plant is a low maintenance one, but in case you want to take loads of care of it, give it iron. The Holy Basil or Tulsi doesn't like cold weather and it hates frost. So your Tulsi is most likely to die if you have frost or very cold weather in your region. The best way to save the plant is to bring it indoors before the weather starts turning bad, and make sure you place it indoors at a spot which has indirect sunlight. Finally guys, if you think your plant is under a pest attack or the leaves are looking unhealthy, you have to use some kind of a pesticide on it. I would suggest a natural pesticide. I've already done a video on how to make an organic or a natural pesticide for plants at home. Please use the same recipe and make a pesticide, and you can use it on this plant.
Tulsi has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda for its healing properties. I eat Tulsi leaves to strengthen my immune system. If you have liked this video on how to grow Tulsi, please like, share and subscribe to Get My Harvest, and visit getmyharvest.com. Thank you.